When one thinks of Ontario, Canada, most think of Toronto or even Ottawa. But for some, there's a whole other world of small towns, gravel roads, single track, and wilderness. And this is where the BT 700 lives and breathes. This is the BT 700.
Yeah, hi everybody, I'm Bob Rackpool. I'm living in Canada for 23 years, originally from Wales, 57 years of age. From a cycling standpoint, yeah, I had my first bike probably when I was 5 or 6. Cycled all my life, to varying degrees. When I was younger, I would just set off all day and just come back when it came dark.
Hello, my name's Dennis Casimir. I'm 57 years old, Port Elgin, Ontario, and this is my first 10-day, I guess multi-day trip, so nothing like jumping on the BT 700 right off the bat. What really inspired me is the man holding the camera there, Dean. About 5.5 years ago I had a heart transplant, and I ran across Dean's videos while I was recovering and working out and getting my strength back, and that man really inspired me to do this, so thank you, Dean.
Hi, my name's Dean Berard. I'm from Windsor, Ontario. I'm 54 years old, and cycling's been a huge part of my life since far back as I can remember, going back to the BMX days. Got into road racing when I was a teenager, and then really got into mountain biking later in life, and then more recently it's been bikepacking and touring. So can't wait to share this experience of the BT 700 with Bob and Dennis and to get to know these two great gentlemen a lot better. So anyways guys, let the adventure begin. All right, here it is guys, the day of the grand depart. Bikes everywhere, doesn't get much better than that. At the Eco Cafe, St.Jacobs, Ontario. About 45 minutes maybe away from the grand depart. And yeah, a lot of sweet bikes here. A lot of sweet bikes. If you're a bike geek, this is the place to be. So can't wait to get started.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I want to try to get
Well guys, it's on. We're on the BT, just in the first stretches. Beautiful weather for riding this morning. Should be a great day. Morning. I just ran into this great guy. Well, I didn't get your name. What's your name?
Thibault.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Really nice. Enjoying the ride. It's awesome day.
Where are you from?
From Nassau. It's in the United States.
Yeah, yeah. Awesome. Nice to meet you. And there's my guys up there.
Yeah, a lot of likewise. Well, this year we have a caterpillar.
Yeah.
Oh, like no
Yeah.
Looks like
Hey, buddy. How you doing? Rail trails are nice because it's harder to get lost. I was hoping they're the kind that like fall over when they get scared. Hey guys. Guessing you didn't have this wind last year, right?
No, it was
Opposite?
and the other thing, I was, riding with people, and I was car behind me. I was at least probably 3 kilometers an hour faster, because I was kind of keeping up with people.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll wear you out quick.
Oh, yeah.
It'll also get you in shape quick too, though.
A beautiful country road. Nice tree sheltered from the hot sun. A very nice day. On the DT 700.
All right, guys, we just stopped off at this cemetery. It is called the Zion United Church Cemetery. There is some graves over there that are from like 1840, which is awesome. Like, not that they passed away, but I love history, so you always find really old cemetery tombstones when you are out in the country like this in Ontario, because this is kind of where it was established, right? So these ones here are a little more current, but 1895. All the guys are feeling good. Dennis, how you doing?
Excellent.
Yeah, doing
Thank you.
great. Bob, how you doing?
You know, I'm doing very well. Yeah, the weather has been so favorable. You gotta love that 20-kilometer tailwind.
Oh yeah, you know what they call that, the hero wind.
Yeah.
The guys we were riding with, I don't want to disrespect them by getting his name wrong, so I'm not going to say it. But the one gentleman is having some cramps, so they're a little behind us. Which, hey, he's a little older than us, and he's out here, so good for him.
Slow and steady.
Yep, slow and steady wins the race, as they say. So beautiful area here. If you look at we're at the four corners of the world.
Oh boy, and this is Dean.
How you doing? What's your name?
Cubby.
Cubby. Cuddy?
Cubby.
Cubby.
Cubby. Yeah.
Cubby.
Well,
Hi.
you belong in the right club anyway. You get
The Trek Club, yeah. We just stopped off here to take a break, and we got a visit for some cows, but we're wondering if this electric fence here is what's stopping them from coming any closer. They may have had an experience, or they just might not trust humans, and you're smart for doing that. You guys are actually pretty handsome and pretty cows. Sorry about those flies, that's gotta suck.
And we're just entering Bruce County, my home county. So far, so good. Feeling not too bad.
All right, guys, we're just making our way along still. We're probably only, I don't know, I'm guessing about 7K from camp in Walkerton, so I'm pretty hungry. I can't wait to eat. That's the thing. So good stuff though. Been cruising along on this trail. There's a section that you saw that was pretty rough, but this part is really nice.
Hello. Hello.
That's a freshly paved road. That's a closed down co-op. Someone should buy it and turn it into something niche-y.
Kilometers in, almost to Walkerton, where we'll be staying the evening.
Right, just in Walkerton looking for the campsite. Well, we're just not coming into it. We're on the outskirts, kind of in what you would call a suburb if you were in a city. All right, just passing over the Saugeen River in Walkerton, heading to the campground right there. Looks delightful and shady.
Not that type of shady.
Yeah, not that kind of shady, as Bob said. All right, we're gonna get ourselves a campsite here. Well, that's going to wrap up an amazing first day. The Grand Depart really did kind of allow for an opportunity that I don't often have when riding and meeting other people. So David, Mike, John, Thibaut, it was great meeting you guys and riding with you guys for a stretch as well. So yeah, hats off to everybody, and it was great meeting you guys. We were blessed with perfect riding conditions, tailwinds. What more could anybody ask for? After about 130 plus kilometers, we ended up in Walkerton, Ontario, and stayed at Lobby's Campground. And after a good meal at Uncle Joe's cabin in Walkerton, we called it a night along the shores of the Saugeen River.